How to end thoughts of people possessing terror in their minds. Actually, from the past, specifically saying from adolescent stages, I was totally concerned about my thoughts. At that time, I was like, my thoughts must not hurt nobody. I was like, my gentle thoughts must heal people. After some point of time, I realized the truth, non-violence and following right in every path, can give some peace to heart. It's actually an influence from Gandhism. But later at some point of time I realized that doing right always doesn't bringing peace. Acknowledging the divine in all walks of life, not bringing peace. Filling your mind with all sorts of knowledge doesn't bringing peace. Putting your mind in service to people and collecting rewards, doesn't giving proper peace. That means total peace is an inaccessible reality. Because thoughts are an uncontrollable reality. Like a million emotions, there are million thoughts, you have got through influences. These have internal and external existences. Somewhat the actual present manifestations are mixture of these inside-outside environment polarities. That means for a majority of people, within seconds, their emotions and thoughts behind those emotions changes, it's because of internal-external disturbances. Peace is an alienated concept in modern money world. That means in divided worlds within and to the extreme divisions, a competitive world of money, where peace, you won't find. Even if you alone will define peace for yourself, you must willingly make others to conflict and that peace will be peace out from conflict of others. That means there are certain virtues, that you as a group can't define. It must be universal. For example, truth, non-violence, peace, happiness, coexistences, correlations, self-reliances, self-actualizations, cooperation, self-stabilization, equality. These words have complementary symbiotic mutual relationships. That means they have no independent existences. That means a society of evil makes the individual evil. This is applicable for defining all societies and problems human beings are facing. Why thoughts of people possessing terror are getting stopped? Terror is not confined to certain people or a group alone. That means all people possess certain kind of terror in their inherent qualities. This is in a way competitive existence struggle for humans. It's a part of programming. This programming itself doesn't allowing people to define peace for humanity. That may be the reason thoughts of people are consistently molded. Repeating your thoughts to yourself, that means in emotions that can't be easily forgettable, to yourself, shuts your mirror neurons associated with it. Maybe this can be the reason for all terrors and crimes. That means people with crimes has shut down mirror neurons of empathy. Concluding, peace and some virtues are total complementary concepts applicable to all. Controlling thoughts and shutting down mirror neurons is the reason for all problems of humanity. Rather, mirror neurons must strengthen for teaching humans positive values.